Once again, here we are going to start the new paragraph. The old man was just as generous with his confidences that his porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, his host had been a crafter at Ramzo Iron Works and had worked on the land as well. The old man, he was very generous. In this paragraph, the narrator has describes about the character and the behavior of the old man. How is he? वो है कैसा? He is very generous. वो बहुत ही उदारवादी किस्म का है. He is very innocent. Okay, he is very honest and kind-hearted person. He is very confident with his porridge and tobacco for the great hospitality of guest. The guest was informed at once. The old man told about his old days that he was, and he was a crafter. Okay, he was a crafter at Ramzo Iron Work and had worked on the land. Okay, and he had worked for his livelihood, like ways एंड मजदूर जिसको कहते हैं वेजेस के लिए. ठीक है. नाउ दैट ही हैज़ नो लॉन्गर एबल टू डू द लेबर एंड नाउ दिस टाइम ही इज़ नो लॉन्गर टू एबल टू डू द लेबर बिकॉज ही इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली ओल्ड मैन नाउ. ओके, अब वो बहुत बूढ़ा हो चुका है. दैट इज़ वाई ही कांट डू हार्ड लेबर फॉर हिज लाइवलीहुड. ओके, it was his cow which supported him. The old man adds that he has an old cow. उसके पास एक बूढ़ी गाय भी है. Who supports him lot. Okay, he manages his livelihood by earning the money selling the cow's milk. Yes, that Bossy was extraordinary. Bossy word has been used for the cow, that she is the boss of the old man nowadays because she is offering or she is giving milk that is sold by the old man to earn money for managing his livelihood. She could give milk for the creamery every day. Okay, I mean, his milk is so creamy, and last month he had received all of 30 kronor in payment. And last month, old man tells that he had earned 30 kronor in the last month selling the cow's milk. उसके दूध को बेचकर लगभग 30 kronor की अर्निंग उस बूढ़े आदमी ने किया है. First thing I would like to tell you that the old man, he is very frank and innocent. Okay, he is not hesitating while telling the secrecy and all about him to the paddler. Paddler is a strange person. When somebody comes to our home and we do not know about the person, so we will never let him stay at our home. हम उस आदमी को कभी अपने यहाँ ठहरने नहीं देंगे जिसको हम जानते नहीं. बट द ओल्ड मैन, ही डिड नथिंग लाइक दिस. इस तरह का उसका कोई भी रवैया नहीं था. ही वॉज वेरी फ्रैंक एंड ही वॉज सो हैप्पी टू गेट अ कंपनी ऑफ अ पैडलर. उस आदमी के साथ एक रात रहने के लिए वो काफ़ी खुश थे बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी एन अलोन पर्सन. वो बिल्कुल अकेले रहते थे वहाँ पर. फाइनली ही बिगेन टू शेयर एंड टेल ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट हिम टू द स्ट्रेंजर. उस आदमी को वो सब कुछ बताने लगता है. इवन ही इज़ टेलिंग अबाउट हिज अर्निंग, कि वो कैसे अर्न करता है. ही टेल्स अबाउट हिज पास्ट डेज, अपने पुराने दिनों के बारे में बताता है. देयर आफ्टर ही टेल्स दैट आई एम नो मोर एबल टू मैनेज द हार्ड लेबर एंड टू मैनेज माई लाइवलीहुड. सो आई लेफ्ट द वर्किंग. आई वॉज वर्किंग इन रैमजो आयरन वर्क्स. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, वो बताते हैं कि वो रैमजो आयरन वर्क्स में भी कभी काम करते थे, कभी मजदूर बनकर भी काम करते थे. बट ही इज़ नो मोर एबल टू मैनेज एंड सच अ हार्ड वर्क नाउ डेज. सो ही हैज़ अ काऊ. अब वो बताते हैं कि उनके पास एक काऊ है विच सपोर्ट्स हिम लॉट, जो कि उनके लाइवलीहुड में काफ़ी मदद करती है. और वो बताते हैं कि उसके क्रीमी मिल्क को सेल करके वो 30 kronor लगभग प्रीवियस मंथ में अर्न किए हुए हैं. द स्ट्रेंजर मस्ट हैव सीम्ड इनक्रेडुलस, for the old man got up and went to the window. And this is nothing to tell about his earning which he earned in the previous time. What happens next? It is unbelievable. Okay, we can't believe such a man that who is sharing all about. He went to the window. Okay, the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in very window frame. Okay, the old man went near the window and he took a leather pouch in which he kept 30 kroner, and he brought it to the peddler and picked out three wrinkled 10 kroner bills. These he held up before the eyes of his guest. Okay, I mean, he shown 30 kroner what he earned in the previous year. There were three wrinkled notes. घिसी पिटी या मुड़ी, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि 10 या 20 या किसी भी नोट को अगर आप ऐसे मुट्ठी में दबा लें, ओके, देन इट विल बी रिंकल्ड. सो देर वर 10 kroner bills, wrinkled bills in the leather pouch. Nodding knowingly that, what happens next? Let me slide down the next page. Then stuffed them back into the pouch. Again, the old man kept 30 kroner, I mean 310 bills in the pouch, leather pouch back, and kept there by the window. Next day, what happened? अब तक आपने ये समझा कि ओल्ड मैन अपनी सारी प्राइवेसी, सारी सीक्रेसी उस पैडलर के साथ शेयर करता है, जो कि उसे नहीं करनी चाहिए. भाई कॉमन सी बात है, इट्स अ कॉमन साइकोलॉजी ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग that we should never be frank and share our secrecy and privacy with anybody whom we don't know, जिसको हम नहीं जानते. Even if we know somebody who is very close to us, a person should never share his secrecy or privacy, as per as I think. जैसा कि मैं सोचता हूँ कि किसी को भी अपनी सीक्रेसी या प्राइवेसी के बारे में हमें नहीं बताना चाहिए. मे बी दैट पर्सन वुड बी अवेलिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द फ्यूचर टाइम. सो वी शुड नेवर शेयर anything with anybody else. Next, what happened? Next day, both men got up in good season. Good season means early in the morning at the moment of dusk. भोर के समय में दोनों आदमी जगे. Which both men, old man and the old man who was a crafter in his pastime, and the peddler, a strange person, red trap sailor, both got up in good season. 4 बजे या 4:30 बजे भोर में दोनों जग जाते हैं. The crafter was in a hurry to milk his cow. The crafter, he was in hurry to get milk, with his cow. He went to get milk. वो दूध निकालने चला जाता है. Okay. And the other man probably thought that he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. Okay, and the other man, strange man, red trap seller, peddler, he was still in the bed, but he thought that he ought to wake up if the owner of the house has gotten up. जब घर का मुखिया अगर बेड से जग गया हो तो मेहमान को बेड में सोने का कोई भी वैल्यू या औचित्य नहीं होता. It's a moral that he ought to wake up before the owner are along with him. They left the cottage at the same time. दोनों ने कोरेस को एक ही समय छोड़ा. I mean, peddler was guest, so he had to leave. उसको तो जाना ही था. And the old man, he had to go to get milk. उसको दूध निकालने जाना था. They left the cottage at the same time. Both. The crafter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. Okay. Now this is the moment of departure. Departure of both old man and red trap seller. दोनों घर से निकल जाते हैं. And the old man locked his door and kept the key in his pocket. The man with the red trap said goodbye and thank you. Okay. He bade goodbye to the old man for giving such a great hospitality and giving a shelter for a night, and he left from there. And thereupon उसके बाद क्या हुआ, each went his own way, दोनों अपने अपने रास्ते चले गए. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या होता है, दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. But half an hour later, the rat trap paddler stood again before the door. अब देखिए, मेहमान जो कि पैडलर मेहमान की तरह, गेस्ट की तरह वहाँ पे गया था, वो रात भर वहाँ रहा ओल्ड मैन के साथ. ओल्ड मैन ने अपने सारी प्राइवेसी या अर्निंग 30 करोड़ का एक पाउच भी दिखाया. सुबह में दोनों जगह साथ ही साथ पैडलर दूध निकालने के लिए, सॉरी, दो ओल्ड मैन जो था वो दूध निकालने चला गया और पैडलर वहाँ से गुड बाय बोल के चला गया. अब आधे घंटे बाद की बात क्या है कि जो पैडलर है, रेड ट्रैप जो पैडलर है, वो फिर दरवाजे के सामने खड़ा हो गया है उसके जाकर. ठीक है, ओल्ड मैन के दरवाजे के सामने. एंड ओल्ड मैन इज़ नॉट देयर, ही इज़ गेटिंग मिल्क. वो दूध निकाल रहा है. ही डिड नॉट ट्राई टू गेट इन. अब पैडलर के बारे में बोल रहा है कि पैडलर डिड नॉट ट्राई टू गेट इन. However, he went up to the window, smashed a pen stuck in his hand, and got hold the pouch with the 30 kroner. Now, he is doing thievery. Okay, as I told you at the beginning that selling rat trap was not a profitable profession for the peddler. He was doing sometimes petty thievery for his livelihood. वो कभी कभी चोरी भी करता था. तो ये अब क्या करता है, ये दरवाजे को तोड़कर नहीं अंदर जा रहा है. ही इज़ गोइंग बाय द विंडो एंड स्मैशिंग अ पैन ऑफ ग्लास and stuck in his hand, and he got the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it in his own pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back to its place and went away. Okay, he's very smart thief. He did the same. I mean, he kept the leather pouch to the window very carefully and took out the money in his own pocket and went from there. वहाँ से वो चला गया. इतना आपको समझ में आया होगा कि पैडलर ने किस तरह से उस 30 करोड़ को चुरा लिया. ठीक है, वो दरवाजे पे गया बट वो दरवाजे को तोड़ा नहीं. वो विंडो के पास जाता है, विंडो के एक शीशे को तोड़ता है और वहाँ से हाथ लगा करके उस पाउच को लेता है. फिर पाउच से 30 करोड़ को अपने पॉकेट में रखता है. फिर बहुत ही आसानी और सावधानी से उस 30 करोड़ का जो पाउच होता है लेदर का, उस पाउच को फिर वैसे ही टांग देता है और वहाँ से चलता बनता है. ठीक है, अब आगे क्या होता है. As he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. Okay, now after getting 30 kroner, the peddler is so happy. Okay, he is appraising and pleasing his smartness, that how he stole the money very smartly and carefully. वो बड़ा खुश है कि बहुत लंबा सा हाथ मारा हूँ, 30 करोड़ मैंने चुरा लिया है और कोई जानता भी नहीं है. He realized, of course, that at first he dared not continue on the public highway. Okay, जाहिर सी बात है, obviously we would never go to the public place after doing a robbery if we have money, if we have the robbed property. अगर हम कहीं भी चोरी करें और वो चोरी की हुई चीज़ें या प्रॉपर्टी हमारे पास हैं तो हम पब्लिक प्लेस पर नहीं जाना चाहेंगे. सेम थिंग इज़ देयर. पैडलर dare not to continue on the public highway but must turn off the road. वो चेंज कर देता है अपना रास्ता into the woods, जंगल के तरफ चला जाता है. ठीक है, I mean रास्ते से न जा कर के वो जंगल के तरफ चला गया है, because he had stolen 30 kroner. During the first hours his caused him no difficulty. He was smoothly going in the wood without any difficulty. Later in the day it became worse, for it was a big and confusing forest he had gotten into. Okay, the forest was very expanded, confusing. Nobody could find his way to come out of the forest easily because it was a confusing forest. Okay, it was very dark, it was very expanded and very it has a great expansion of its area. I mean बहुत ही लंबा चौड़ा और बहुत दूर दराज तक. I mean no way could be visible from far and wide in the jungle. It was so confusing. 1 घंटे तक तो बड़ी आसानी से वो चलता रहा जंगल में। अब क्या होता है, ही ट्राइड टू बी श्योर टू वॉक इन अ डेफिनिट डायरेक्शन। अब वो एक निश्चित दिशा की तरफ जाने की कोशिश करता है, सो दैट ही वुड बी ईजिली गेटिंग द वे टू कम आउट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, बट द paths twisted back and forth so strangely. But he was repeating, okay, again and again the same way. He was coming or arriving to the same point where he started his journey from to get away. He walked and walked without coming to end of the wood. He was constantly walking in the jungle, and unless he found a way to come out of jungle to its end, and finally he realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. Eventually, he realized that he was wandering in the same part of the forest. वो बार बार उसी पार्ट में घूम रहा था जिस पार्ट से वो निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Okay, now what happened next? Let me erase the underlines. All at once he realized his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. As when we started the lesson, we explained a line that suddenly the rat trap seller fell or stuck with his own thought in his mind that the whole world is just like a rat trap and all the people are like rat. They have their own baths to be tempted and to be stuck in the in the rat trap. So this is symbolical meaning and the comparison between the world and the rat trap and the people as well as rat. लालच बुरी बला होती है, ठीक है. Greed is a great evil. अब वो अपने ही थॉट को सोच रहा है कि यार लालच के कारण मैं आकर के ना तो मैं पैसे चुराया होता और ना ही मुझे इस जंगल में आना होता. अब क्या है, वो जंगल में पूरी तरह फंस चुका है. नाउ हिज ओन टर्न हैड कम. अब वो बता रहा है, अब तक तो ये कह रहा था कि सम ऑफ द पीपल हैज़ बीन स्टक्ड विद द रेड ट्रैप बट सम ऑफ देम आर वंडरिंग स्टिल अराउंड द रेड ट्रैप टू बी स्टिक. ओके, अभी वो बोल रहा है कि बहुत सारे लोग रेड ट्रैप में फंस चुके हैं, इस जाल में फंस चुके हैं. वो जाल क्या है? लालच है, धन है, पैसा है, ज्वा है, कपड़े हैं, खाने हैं, ठीक है, इन सभी चीज़ों में. अब ये बोल रहा है दैट माई टर्न हैज़ कम. अब मेरा समय आ गया है. आई हैव बीन स्टक्ड माई सेल्फ. ही हैड लेट हिमसेल्फ टू बी फूल्ड बाई अ बैट. वो बैट क्या था, वो चारा क्या था? 30 क्रोनोर. ठीक है, वो 30 क्रोनोर के चक्कर में अपने आप को उस जंगल में फंसा दिया है. अब क्या है? The whole forest, with its trunks and branches, its thickets and fallen logs, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. अब वो क्या बता रहा है? That the whole forest, thickets, branches, trunks, fallen logs, leaves, these are just like jail, prison, जेल की तरह है. इन विच ही कुड नेवर escape, जहाँ से वो कभी भी बाहर नहीं निकल सकता है. ठीक है, तो अब तक आपने ये पढ़ा कि कैसे जो स्पैडलर है वो ओल्ड मैन के घर रुकता है और वहाँ से 30 क्रोनोर की सफाई करता है. ठीक है, फिर जंगल में आके फंस गया है बेचारा. अब क्या होता है उसके साथ? लेट अस नो थ्रू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. It was late in December. Darkness was already descending over the forest. This was the moment of late December. I mean, the last week of the month December. Darkness was already descending over the forest. Gradually, it was being darker and darker. This increased the danger. It is not safe to stay in the jungle at night because so many wild animals come and wander here and there during the night. So it was not safe for the paddler to stay in the jungle at night. So he has blown himself in the mouth of danger only for the greed of 30 kronor, he thinks. वो ऐसा सोचता है कि मैंने सिर्फ 30 क्रोनोर्स की लालच के कारण अपने आप को इस डेंजर में ढकेल दिया. एंड इंक्रीज्ड आल्सो हिज ग्लूम and his fear, and he is being more and more disappointed and frustrated. He is being more lamentable, I mean so sorry. Finally he saw no way out and he sank down on the ground. Okay, he was so exhausted, he has no energy or the power to move anymore and to find a room for another way to come out of the jungle. Finally he sank down on the ground. He fell and tired to death. He is about to be dead. वो मरने ही वाला है. Thinking that his last moment had come. मेरा आखिरी समय आ गया है. Only it is cause of 30 kronor. And this story gives us a great moral that we should never be greedy in our life. Okay, a small greed can carry us to the end of our life, as it happens with the red trap sailor. Okay, next. He heard a sound. उसने एक sound सुना. A hard, regular thumping. Okay, knocking and thumping sound of the hammer. Because as we know that the story revolves around a mine industry. Okay, mines means क्या होता है? Industrial areas where the iron work was going on. Okay, Ramsey iron work. There was no doubt as to what that was. He realized himself. Those are the hammer strokes from an iron mill, he thought. अब जंगल में बेचारा लेटा हुआ है. He was facing downwards. Okay, pastoral. And he was hearing, he could feel the vibration of a thumping sound of hammer. And he felt that there would be an iron mill around or nearby this jungle. यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं आयरन मिल तो ज़रूर है जिसका हैमर का स्ट्रोक मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. There must be a people nearby, and he summoned all his strength, got up and staggered to the direction of the sound. Okay, he staggered, he carried hardly himself towards the sound. वो sound की तरफ. Summoned means होता है इकट्ठा करना, muster up. Okay, he mustered up his all strength, इकट्ठा करना, हिम्मत जुटा पाना. और वो staggered, I mean अपने आप को घसीटते हुए. Okay, he was dragging himself hardly to the direction of the sound. That's it for this day. Rest of the portion will be covered next in the next video. That's it. Have a nice day.